Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
You are Brittany Davis?
Mm-hmm.
Please say yes or no.
Yes.
And Ms. Davis, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1450. You're charged with the second-degree felony offense of assault on a peace officer from May 19th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
It's been worked out.
What's been worked out?
I had to reveal my details with you as far as how I'm gonna proceed, because I don't know if I think I'm gonna represent myself. Or I'm gonna have my lawyer do it.
Okay, well, that's two very different things.
Yeah, I'm everywhere with it right now.
What?
I'm everywhere with it right now.
Are you? Okay, so if I test you today, you can have anything in your system?
Of course.
Have a seat in the jury box. Yeah. Happy New Year. Ma'am, you need to not say a single word while you're sitting over there. It's just going to make things. Listen to me.
Why are you testing me?
Because I have that right to test anybody that walks into court, and I feel like with your behavior, I need to do that. So I need you to sit there. Your bond can be raised just for.
And here's the
respectful in court. So my suggestion is you don't say another word until we get the drug test, and then we'll see what we do from there. Thank you. Ms. Davis, when's the last time you smoked marijuana?
Probably like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah?
I waiting to get my medicine.
This is the moment the tone shifts. The judge isn't punishing her, yet. This is about courtroom authority and control. Judges can order drug testing when behavior raises concerns, especially when someone is already out on bond. Translation: the margin for error just vanished.
What does smoking marijuana have to do with getting your medicine?
Well, I mean, I self-medicated myself because I don't have any medicine. So I was smoking to keep me like.
What medicine? What medicine do you need?
Adderall, Buzzprone, and Promax.
What doctor are you going to?
Dr. Ian.
Spell it.
Now we're past suspicion and into verification. Drug testing isn't about morality, it's about compliance. And every word she says here is being mentally logged, not for today, but for what happens if she slips again.
Ian? I don't know.
You don't know how to spell it?
No, I don't.
Where is he?
He's on Baptist.
He's at Baptist Hospital, or
he's on the side by Baptist Hospital. At the end, like Dr. Kinagani. He's not too far from Dr. Kinagani.
Okay.
But he's a new doctor. I was going to Dr. Kinagani at first.
Okay. When's the last time you saw Dr. Ian?
I see Dr. Ian today at 2.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to do, Ms. Davis. Couple of things. One, I'm going to reset your case for 2 weeks instead of 30 days. I'm going to order that you wear a drug patch. You have 24 hours to go get a drug patch on. Your bondsman can tell you where to get that. So between today and tomorrow, you got to have a drug patch on your arm. You get them changed every 2 weeks. I'm going to assume that this first one is probably still going to be positive for marijuana. But the drug patch gives me quantities, not just positive or negative. So it's going to show me that it's either going up or down or staying the same. If it's not going down every 2 weeks, the amount in your system.
This right here is a power move from the bench. A drug patch isn't just a one-time test. It's basically a 2-week timeline of behavior. The judge just eliminated the possibility of excuses like that was from earlier. Now, the only thing that matters is the trend. Is the level going down or not? And notice something important. The judge even says the first test will probably still show marijuana. That's actually a small window of grace, but if the numbers stop dropping, automatic trouble. So let me ask you, is this judge being strict or actually giving her a fair chance to prove she's trying?
Making it crystal clear, this is her last layer of grace before jail becomes automatic.
self-medicate. So I'm ordering that you can't do that. And for me to be comfortable with you being out in the community, I'm going to make that a condition of your bond. It's a violation of the law to self-medicate with marijuana.
Okay.
So that's why I'm doing it, because it's illegal.
Okay.
And you made that choice to smoke marijuana while you had a felony
I did.
pending. Okay, so
I'm not, I haven't been prosecuted. I haven't been,
you're being prosecuted right now. You haven't been found guilty, but you're charged with a felony.
right.
And so you're on a bond, which means a bond is for certain things. It's to make sure that you show up to court. It's also to make sure that you and the community are safe and you're not violating the laws of the state of Texas, which you have done already while you're on bond. Typically, if somebody violates the laws while they're on bond, their bond is raised immediately and they go to jail. I'm not doing that today, but I am ordering that you have the drug patch. If I don't have proof that you have the drug patch, by tomorrow, there will be a warrant for your arrest. If I get a result from the drug patch, again, and it's higher or the same, there will be a warrant for your arrest. You cannot use any illegal substance. In addition to that, a condition of your bond is that you're not allowed to use any form, legal or not, of THC. So there's no trying to go get something that's going to still test positive, but it's legal in Delta 8 or 9 or all the things that whatever's out there. So you can't use anything that's going to test positive for it. You understand?
This is one of the most important legal lessons in the entire exchange. A lot of people think, I haven't been convicted yet, so the rules don't apply. But that's not how bond works. When someone is released while a felony charge is pending, they're essentially under court supervision. That means the judge can set conditions, drug restrictions, testing, check-ins, and violating them can send someone straight back to jail without waiting for trial. In other words, freedom right now depends entirely on compliance. So here's the big question for viewers. If you were in her position, would you see this as a warning or a last chance?
Hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do, okay?
Yes.
If you're unable to hire a lawyer before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, you have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. Also, when you come back, please bring me proof of your visit with your doctor this afternoon, okay? So get something from your doctor from today's date when you come back so that I know that you're actually going,
It
okay?
depends on how much they're gonna charge me for I don't have Medicaid, so,
But you have an appointment?
yeah, I
Okay.
made that part, but I'm saying I don't have insurance, so
Okay.
I don't know what the charge is gonna be like. This is my first time going through.
Perfect. That's fine. I understand that. But just to get something that says you
Okay.
were there. Okay, so if it doesn't work out and you can't see them, there are some other places you can go if you need something to get the help you need. If you talk to your bondsman, if you want to talk after court, somebody can let you know some other resources. Okay?
Okay.
All right, step in front of the clerk. She's going to give you your reset notice.
It's actually going to be 3 weeks because of
Okay.
my pay date, so.